Okay, so we are asked to find the area of this triangle ABP, and we know that this area of triangle is 3, this area of triangle is 4, and this area of triangle is 5. But we have to note that this triangle is not a right triangle, although it may seems familiar. It's 3, 4, 5, but it is not the side length but the area. So we have to find this area without knowing anything about the sides, but we are given the area of the triangles. And now, because PQRS is a rectangle, I can make this side and this side, as the same length. Let the length of this rectangle square is x, so this is also x, and then the length of this side AR is A, and the length of this RB section is B. So here we have x minus B, and here we have x minus A. Okay, now we take a look at the triangles one by one. So let's do first triangle. And triangle ARB, we have the area of triangle is equal to 1/2 times A times B, and that's equal to 3. And now we can simplify this as AB is equal to 6. So we have this now. And now let's move on to another triangle. I will move to this triangle at triangle ASP. We have the area is 4, so 1/2. Let me use black here. One half times x minus A is equal to 8. Not 8, it's 4. Sorry, it's 4. And we have this equal as x squared minus ax is equal to 8. So I multiply both sides by 2, and I multiply this x with this x minus a, and I think this enough for now. And let's move on to the last triangle that we know. We have triangle PQB. So I have 1/2 times x minus b is equal to 5, and that will make this as this equation. So we now have this one, this one, this one, and let's number this as equation number 1, this as equation number 2, and this as equation number 3. Now we are asked to find the area of ABP. So ABP, the area of ABP it is basically this square, x squared minus this 3 area of this rectangle. So we will have 3 plus 4 plus 5, and that will equal to x squared minus 12. So we need to find x squared minus 12, and we are given this one. Now what should we do? Let's find out. Okay, now I have some idea, and let's replace this board with another board. So I copied the 3 equations here, so we can have clean board here, and let's save this board to see later. Okay, now so we have the mathematical model of the square, and the questions now becomes how to find out x squared minus 12 from these 3 equations. So I see this, that we have AB is equal to 6, and we have A here and we have B here. So I want to make this in x, so I will solve the equation number 2 for A. Equation number 2. So equation number 2 is x squared minus ax is equal to 8. So we have ax is equal to x squared minus 8, and thus a is equal to x squared minus 8 divided by x. Okay, we do similar things for equation number 3. So for equation number 3, we have x squared minus bx is equal to 10. So I have bx is equal to x squared minus 10, and we have b is equal to x squared minus 10 divided by x. Now we substitute this a and b to the equation number 1. So let's move on to equation number 1. AB is equal to 6. So we have AB is equal to 6, and let's do substitution. A is x squared minus 8 divided by x. Okay, the brackets, it's not large enough. So in B we have x squared minus 10 divided by x, and that will equal to 6. Now we have x squared minus 8 multiplied by x squared minus 10 divided by x squared, and that will equal to 6. We have x squared minus 8 times x squared minus 10, and that will equal to 6 x squared. So now I'm going to multiply all of this, but first, to make it easier, I will let y is equal to x squared So here we have y minus 8, y minus 10 is equal to 6y, and we multiply this y squared minus 18y plus 80, and that will equal to 6y. And now we can move this as y squared minus 24y plus 80 is equal to 0. And now we have this nice quadratic equations that we can factor it. Y minus 20 or y minus 4, multiply, is equal to 0. So we have y is equal to 20 or y is equal to 4. Now remember that y is x squared, so let me do this here. So x squared is equal to 20, so we have x is plus minus square root of 20, or we have x squared is equal to 4, and we have x is plus minus 2. So we have the value of x here. There is 4 value, so the possible value of x is minus square root of 20 minus 2, and square root of 20. And let's plug all of these possible x solutions to the original problem and see which one is making sense. So the area of ABP is x squared minus 12, so we have to find out which one that makes sense. So if we have x is minus square root of 20, x squared will be 20. Okay, let's do this. Okay, let's move to clean board here. So the area of triangle ABP is equal to x squared minus 12, and the value of x that possible is plus minus square root of 20 or plus minus 2. So if the value is plus minus square root of, sorry, can it be focused? Yeah. Okay, if x is plus minus square root of 20, x squared will be 20 minus 12, which is 8 centimeter squared. So this makes sense. Or the area of triangle ABP is x squared minus 12. If the value is plus minus 2, we have this 4 minus 12, and the area will be minus 8 centimeters squared. The area is not possible to have negative values, so this is not possible. So the only possible answer is this one, 8 centimeter squared. So the area of triangle ABP is equal to 8 centimeter squared. Here is the final answer. Okay, thank you for watching.